Levi's again. Let's not waste time. Get this thing open. They don't make it easy. I don't know why they do this. Levi's 512. This model is otherwise known as Torion. But most of the time they just give it a number. Anyways, online it's called Torion. It's got the weathered look, which I'm typically not a big fan of. Very few models can do it right, or very few models turn out nice when they do try it out. It's kind of throwback to like what some of the models look like in the 90s. Can it pass for like an older pair of jeans? I don't know, maybe from a distance. Certainly not up close. Oh, look at this. Not only does it have the weathered look, it's also got a couple of bleach marks and patches. Let's get a good look at this. Huh. Now, patches I've seen on some of the Levi's models before in the past have not been as... didn't look like this, essentially. It looks fairly random, I guess, and that's the key. If it's going to look realistic, it has to look random. Let's see what else. Got some more, call them bleach marks here. You know, it feels odd. Like at the back, it seems like there's a, doesn't feel clean, which I guess goes with that weathered look. It feels like there's almost like a thin wax or something. Looks like it's been treated with something. Okay, getting back. Another patch. See, this patch looks a bit too clean, almost. Not clean, but the patch itself looks like it's made with new denim. That's why this one doesn't work. Although the stitching is not completely straight, which works. Huh. Okay, moving on. Let's have a look. Branding. A little different than what I've seen before. Now this area here by the fly, that looks fairly realistic. That's a decent facsimile of an old pair of jeans. Let's open this up. They don't make this easy. Not at all. Okay. See, one thing I've noticed is this, the dark blue around the loop there. It's a bit unusual. As we've seen many times, got the wide, good size pull tab. Silver button. Almost like a copper. Yeah. Copper rivets. Look on the inside. Let's see what this is made of. Hopefully it's not going to have too much elastane. Made in Mexico. Donald Trump's not going to like that. 99% cotton. And looks like 1% elastane. It's better, still not 100%, but better than I've seen recently. We'll have a look at the inside stitching. See, I like this. It's like what I would call the loop stitch, which means it's decent quality stitching. The pockets, we have, again, the long pockets. It seems to be more and more standard in Levi's jeans, although it's not very thick. This side is not branded. It is soft though. Soft on the inside. Because it's not thick, you can almost see my fingers right through it actually. I often wonder how long this will last before tears develop. So the deep watch pockets, as we're seeing in more and more of their newer pairs of jeans. Let's have a look at the interior stitching. It's okay. It's all right. But what I wanted to have a look at is the inside of that patch. Better look at it. Huh. Yeah. This is odd. This is really odd because yeah. You know, I'm surprised how random they made this look. The stitching, as you can see, is not completely straight. Looks like it's almost done by. Obviously, it wasn't automated. This has to be done by hand, and that's typically why these jeans with patches on them are much more expensive. It's not a it's a laborious process to put these patches on. Now, this is the true test with a weathered pair of jeans, whether the back looks legit or not. And this is where you can really tell if it's an old pair of jeans or if it just looks old. And very few models can get this right. You see, it almost looks too, the fade looks almost too consistent. And typically right around here in a legitimate pair of worn jeans is where it would stand out. So, I mean, from a distance, yeah. But like I said, I'm not a big fan of the weathered look. It's a bit disingenuous. Well, I gotta tell you, this patch is actually decent quality. Yeah. Yep. I still can't get over what that waxy feel is. It's almost sticky, but that'll come out in the wash. So, yeah. I'll get back to you after I'm not going to wear them because it's not my size, but I will have somebody wear them and have him report to me, and I'll get back to you. Thank you.